This ring is by King's Will or King Will, KW. It has a little fidget part right here. So whenever you get bored or you just want to doze off, I guess, or daze out or zone out, you just mess with this little chain thing, and it works better, I see, when I go this way. It's a really nice ring. The inside is nice and smooth. It doesn't bother your finger at all. It fits pretty well. So, yeah, all in all, really nice ring. I like the color of the blue they put on there too. It's really cool. Bam. Pretty cool. I like it. And it also has this in the inside. For all the kings out there, this is the brand you get. Every king got a strong will and a strong right. Yeah.